So, you have a normal distribution. What do they mean when they say you have a normal distribution?
It's all evenly spaced, right?
Yeah, it follows the bell curve thing, which means you have some sort of mean that's right in the middle, and then it's got, within one standard deviation, it's got 34% of the data on one side, 34% on the other side, and then within two standard deviations, another 13.5%, another 13.5%. So it's saying that it follows that. So here it says, find the z-scores for each of these. They're telling you that the standard deviation is 10. So if your z-score, or if your standard deviation is 10, and your score is 20 points above the mean, then what's your z-score? It's just 2. Z equals 2. So if the standard deviation is 10, and you're 20 points above average, then you are 2 sets of 10 above average. 2 sets of 10 would be a z-score of 2, positive 2, because you're above. All right, what if you are 10 points below? Negative 1. What if you are 15 points above? What if you are 30 points below? Okay. This one's talking about an adult intelligence test. So on one subtest, the raw scores have a mean of 35 and a standard deviation of 6. Assuming these raw scores form a normal distribution, what number represents the 84th percentile? So we're going to go ahead and draw a normal distribution right here. So what am I drawing? Okay, so I've got 34, 34, 13.5, 13.5, 2.35, 2.35, 0.15, 0.15. How do I figure out where the 84th percentile would be? Yeah, so I'm going to start on the very left, and I'm going to add these percentages until I get to 84%. So 0.15 plus 2.35 plus 13.5, that's 16%, plus 34, plus 34. So the 84th percentile is right here. Okay. So the 84th percentile, how would I figure out what number that is?
You would take 35, put it in the middle,
Mm-hmm.
and just add 6 so you get that line.
Okay.
So you can put it.
Okay, so the 84th percentile would be 41. What about the 97.5th percentile? That's the next one, so that would be 47. What is the probability of getting a score between 23 and 35? So we got to go backwards. Minus 6 would be 29. Minus 6 would be 23. So what's the probability of getting that score?
47.5.
Okay. So you have a 47.5% chance, or probability would be 47.5 out of 100. Okay. Does that make sense? All right, I'm going to let you guys finish this. While you work on this, I'll put the answer key on the back. While you work on this, I'm going to go ahead and hand out the EOC review. Don't be alarmed. We're not going to do it all in one day.
How many pages is it? Enough.
More than 10.
Can you please be a little more long?
Yes.
More than 30.
Yes.
More than 40.
Yes.
More than 50.
Is it like front and back?
Is front and back.
So front and back is 1? So 80 by 10?
Front and back is 2.
Okay.
Oh.
I have to throw you guys